Okay, so let's move on to strings, no? So in C sharp, basically yung string ay isang sequence of characters, no? Strings ay nag-i-store din at nagmamanipula ng mga text, no? Making them one of the most used data types in programming. Yan, for example, string message equals hello world, then console write line message. So, ang lalabas dyan, console write line message will be this one, hello world, no? Ito, and here message is string variable that holds the text hello world, no? So, ito, declare and initializing strings. Paano nga ba mag-declare, no? So, basically, you can declare and initialize strings in several ways. Una, using double quotes. Basically, ito yung example. String name equal double quotes, then Alice, then semicolon. Pwede ding use the string class. Basically, string greeting equal good morning, no? Then, huwag niyo kalimutan yung double quotes pa rin, tsaka semicolon. Both approaches are valid, but using lowercase string is more common in C sharp. Okay, so basically, ito. Most common string operations, concatenation, basically combine two strings using plus or st- string concat, no? And then string first name, to example, string first name John, then the last name will be Doe. John Doe. String last name is Doe. And then basically when you want to put them together, pag gusto nyo ipagsama, gawa ulit kayo ng bago, string full name equal first name plus uh, double quotes, then last name, then semicolon, plus last name. Yan. So basically, ang lalabas dyan ito, console write line, full name, basically, tatype nyo ulit to, console write line, full name, then ang output will be John Doe. No? And then, meron naman tayong interpolation. Basically, ito din. Para siyang, basically, dollar sign. Ito naman, embed yung variables in a string using dollar sign. No? For example, string name equal Alice. Integer age is 25, then console write line. Ayan, naka-embed variable na using dollar sign. Uh, String name, name, yan, naka, close, din, then age, then close again. So, bali, ang output niya will be name, Alice, and age 25. So, ganun lang po. And then, the length. Basically, find the length of string using that length. No? Ayan. Basically, string text equals C sharp programming, then double quotes, semicolon. Then basically, you write console write line, open close parenthesis, text length, semicolon, and then the output will be output 14, no? Kasi lalabas yun eh. And then, the other one will be substring, no? So, extract part of a string, basically, most used din to eh, substring eh. String sentence equal welcome to C sharp, and then you write the console write line sentence substring 8 and 2, no? And then the output will be 2, no? And then usually ito yung example, no? Basically, may upper lower pa eh. So ito yung upper lower niyan. Basically, ang upper lower, ito lang. Basically, if you want to uppercase the letters, hello world, lalabas yan. Yan yung output niya. Pero ito yung gagawin niya. Type niyo. Basically, ito po. Console write line open parenthesis is text to upper, then open close, then close, semicolon. Then if you want to lowercase naman, basically, ayan, if ayaw nyo lang hindi naka-caps lock, ito lang. Palitan nyo lang tong upper to lower. Then lalabas na yung, ayan. Ayan o, ito po. Ayan, pag ni-run mo, basically ayun yung lalabas. Ito yung caps lock. Ayan. Then ito yung sa lowercase letter. Ayan. So ito yung sample. Oh, okay, so may your name has a... Okay, since hindi gumana, nag-error, basically kasi hindi nag-user, hindi na ano yung other value, no? The program takes user name as input yan. So basically, ang lalabas dyan, ayan, yung name mo, na uppercase, and then yung lowercase mo na name. Then ito, to lower. So basically, lalabas dun yung greetings, pati yung converts the name to uppercase and lowercase, and shows the displays number of the character in the name, no? So basically, ayan, may special string methods pa. May trim, basically removing and leaving trailing spaces. Ayan, string, raw, hello, yan, then semicolon, console right line, row, trim, and the output will be this one. Then may isa pa, replace, basically replaces characters or substring. Basically, string phrase equal C sharp is fun, then the other one will be console right line, praise, replace, fun, awesome, open close parenthesis, semicolon, then the output will be C sharp is awesome. And then, ito, split. Basically, split the string into an array. Basically, string fruits equal apple, banana, orange. Basically, ayan. String fruit array equals fruit split for each. Ayan. String fruit in fruit array, console, right line fruit. So, basically, nalalabas dyan. Fruit, tas apple, banana, orange. Yun. Yun lang.